For more than 4 decades, the F-16 Fighting Falcon has remained one of the most successful and widely used fighter aircraft in military aviation history. First introduced in 1978, the aircraft continues to serve in air forces around the world despite the arrival of newer 5th-generation fighters. Its longevity is not accidental. The F-16 combines performance, affordability, adaptability, and combat effectiveness in a way that few aircraft have ever matched. The legacy of a proven fighter. The F-16 was originally developed by General Dynamics for the United States Air Force as a lightweight air superiority fighter. Over time, its role expanded far beyond air-to-air combat. The aircraft evolved into a true multi-role platform capable of conducting air defense, ground attack, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and close air support missions. More than 4,600 F-16s have been built, making it one of the most produced modern fighter jets in the world. Today, the aircraft serves in over 25 countries and continues to receive upgrades that keep it relevant on modern battlefields. Why the F-16 remains dominant. 1. Exceptional maneuverability. The F-16 was designed around agility. Its lightweight airframe, powerful engine, and innovative fly-by-wire flight control system allow it to perform high-G maneuvers with remarkable precision. Pilots often praise the aircraft for its responsiveness and combat effectiveness in dogfights. 2. Cost-effective combat power. Compared with newer stealth fighters, such as the F-35 Lightning II, the F-16 is significantly cheaper to purchase, operate, and maintain. This affordability enables countries to field larger fleets without sacrificing capability. 3. Continuous modernization. The aircraft has undergone numerous upgrades throughout its service life. Modern variants feature Advanced Active Electronically Scanned Array AESA radar, modern cockpit displays, enhanced electronic warfare systems, precision-guided weapon integration, improved data link and networking capabilities. These upgrades allow the F-16 to remain competitive against many contemporary threats. 4. Versatile mission capability. The F-16 can carry a wide variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, precision-guided bombs, anti-ship weapons, electronic warfare pods. This flexibility allows a single aircraft type to perform multiple mission profiles, reducing logistical complexity for air forces. 5. Combat-proven reliability. The F-16 has accumulated millions of flight hours and participated in conflicts across the Middle East, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Its extensive combat record has demonstrated its reliability under diverse operational conditions. Modern F-16 variants. The most advanced version currently in production is the F-16 Block 70/72, often referred to as the Viper. This version incorporates cutting-edge avionics, improved survivability systems, and enhanced mission capabilities. Key improvements include APG, 83 AESA radar, advanced mission computer, modernized cockpit, automatic ground collision avoidance system, auto GCS, extended service life exceeding 12,000 flight hours. F-16 Fighting Falcon specifications. General characteristics. Specification details. Crew 1 F-16C or 2 F-16D. Length 15.06 meters, 49.4 feet. Wingspan 9.96 meters, 32.8 feet. Height 4.88 meters, 16 feet. Empty weight approximately 8,570 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight approximately 19,200 kilograms. Engine 1x Pratt & Whitney F100 or General Electric F110 turbofan. Performance. Specification details. Maximum speed Mach 2.0 plus, about 2,400 kilometers per hour. Combat radius approximately 550 kilometers to 1,700 kilometers, depending on mission. Ferry range up to 4,200 kilometers with external fuel tanks. Service ceiling above 50,000 feet, 15,240 meters. Rate of climb over 250 meters per second. Armament. Weapon type capability. Internal gun 20mm M61 Vulcan cannon. Air-to-air missiles IM, 9 Sidewinder AIM, 120 AMRAAM and others. Air-to-ground weapons DAMs, paveway bombs, AGM missiles. Hardpoints 11 external weapon stations. Maximum payload approximately 7,700 kilograms. The future of the F-16. Despite the rise of stealth aircraft, the F-16 remains highly relevant. Many countries view it as the ideal balance between capability and cost. Modernized variants can work alongside fifth-generation fighters, performing missions that do not require full stealth while delivering substantial combat power. The aircraft's proven design, continuous upgrades, and global support network ensure that it will remain in service well into the 2040s and beyond. Conclusion: the F-16 Fighting Falcon continues to dominate the skies because it successfully combines speed, maneuverability, affordability, reliability, and adaptability. Few military aircraft have demonstrated such longevity while remaining operationally relevant. More than 40 years after its first flight, the F-16 remains a benchmark for multi-role fighter aircraft and a cornerstone of air forces around the world. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.